Our next question is about foreign entities. Well, what if the beneficial owner of an entity is actually a foreign entity, whether it's Canadian, Mexican, SADCV, uh, Bahamian company, it's an entity somewhere outside of the US. And then you've got foreign individuals or someone who doesn't have a US based ID. Are you out of reporting? No, they're still required to report. First, it doesn't matter if you have an entity, you keep going up through that entity to find the beneficial owners. So if there's an entity in between, still going to look up and find the individuals. If that's a foreign entity, the rules don't change. What they're looking for, again, are the individuals who've been set up who own or control this entity, the reporting company in the US. If they're foreigners, guess what? They're probably going to have either a foreign passport or foreign driver's license, and you'll use that to report them to FinCEN as part of this reporting. There's not an exception for not being a US person. Now, again, if it's an entity, there's not a requirement that this reporting is only done for US entities. So going through the layers of foreign entities until you find those persons, whether or not they're US persons, that's what you're going to have to do. And as I mentioned, you'll use their foreign driver's license or passport to report them. So if you've got a foreign trust, if you've got a foreign entity somewhere in your structure, it's not going to stop the beneficial ownership reporting. It still will go through and you'll find the right people. Again, unless an exemption applies.